The 2506 updates enable you to export an electric motor model from Simenter, machine design, and automatically generate your CAD FEM, mesh, and simulation files. Simply click on the Export Design button in Simenter, machine design, and select the Simenter 3D *CCM Plus file format and the location you wish to save the file. You can then import this model into Simenter 3D for electromagnetics with the Import Simulation Input File button. This creates a design part, a FEM file, and in this release the simulation file. The imported model includes coils, rated currents, excitation, and motion components, saving you a huge amount of time setting up the simulation. All that is left for you to do is update your mesh with a click of a button. Set up your solution, including selecting the required results, and solve. Now, because you are in Simenter 3D, you can reuse this model and the force results to evaluate the noise and vibrations of the motor or the wider drive system.